Hey guys, it's Kevin with Pedal Python. Are you like me? Does coiling up your cables like this, like a piece of rope, make perfect sense? But did you ever notice that when you go to uncoil your cables at the next show, it's a tangled mess? Well, turns out there's a wrong way and a right way to coil your cables up so they're not a tangled mess the next time you have a show. I have a buddy named Jeff. He's a lighting and sound engineer, and he has to coil up dozens of cables at the end of every show. He showed me a little trick that the pros use to coil their cables up so there's no tangles next time you set your cables up. He calls it the backcoiling technique. I like to call it the Roadie Wrap technique. Let's get started. All right, so to get started, we're gonna take our cable on our left hand like this with the tips pointing down. We're gonna make a nice clockwise coil, just like that, all right? Now, we're gonna take this hand, we're gonna reach out farther, we're gonna reach way over, and we're gonna twist with our fingers towards us. And now we're gonna come straight into this little V section right there. See how we formed that? That's gonna go right there. That's our back coil. All right, now we'd make another clockwise cable coil, just like that. And now we're gonna reach out farther again, reach way over, twist towards us. We're gonna go back into this little V section right there. And that's it. Keep doing it until your cable bundle's all done. So why does this technique work better than the wrong technique? Well, when you are coiling your cables up like a piece of rope, you're coiling over and over and over in one direction. Then when you take your cables out at the next show, you'd have to uncoil them that many times backwards. Nobody wants to do that. We just want to pull our cables out and throw them on the floor. Using this technique, all your cable coils are canceled out. That's why it's the better way. If you guys are interested in a Pedal Python, definitely head over to pedalpython.com today for the world's best cable management system for musicians, Pedal Python. Thanks for watching.